This is Captain Marlon from the Boathouse Marine Center. You know, I've been around a long time. I've been running all different type of boats, you know, up to 180 foot. I'm just going to simply show you how to tie your line, you know, when you come back and we're not there, especially, you know, the dock master is not here to assist you. Okay, so the first thing what I recommended is we're going to tie your cleat, okay? And this is the forward or the bow line, okay? Now what you want to do, we're going to do a figurehead. So we go around the post and then over the cleat, under, and we twist, and this is called a figurehead. This, if you do your boat, if you tie your boat like this, you're gonna come back and see it in the morning, okay? You could also do it like this, which a lot of people do like this, but I don't trust this one, you know, like that and like that. I don't trust that. So I recommend, you know, if you do it like this, you still go over and twist and lock it. This is called a figurehead, the lock. So the boat is gonna be here in the morning, okay? Okay, so now we're at the back of the boat, or the aft of the boat. I'm gonna show you how to tie the spring line. Basically, it's the same, you know, figurehead. So you go, what the spring line actually does, it prevents your boat or your engine, especially if it's a outboard, from going into the dock. You don't want your boat to go inside the concrete in the night and nobody is here to protect it. So this is your protection. You go around the post again, over, and then we make our figurehead. Let me go again one more time. So we go around the post, over, and then we twist and we make a figurehead. Okay, guys? So we were to the starboard, now we're on the port side. Now what this line does is keep the stern in. So if you have another boat, like this boat tying next door to you, if you let it out, it's gonna swing inside, you know, and hit that boat. So what you're trying to do is start a tight snug, same tie, figurehead, you just go over, under, and make a twist. And trust me, this is gonna be, your boat is gonna be secure for the night. Let me go again one more time. Okay, so we go around, under, over, under, and figurehead, and we're good to go. And if you want to make your line, if you want to make it look good, just give it a line carpet. Make a line carpet by this, you know. Look at that, you see? Your boat look nice and pretty there. Respect, man. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more how to use video from the Boathouse Marine Center. And this is Captain Marlon. I'll see you around.